Join the Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. We're having fun in there. We're buying leaps. We're selling them. We're taking profit. We're flipping SoundHound, RR. Riot stock went up 50% from when we alerted it back when it was nice and cheap at $6 to $8. And this guy right here, Jeff, recently came into the Discord, a member since June 30, 2025. Hey, how much are you up on Riot stock? A little over 50% because I took profit a while ago. Money is being made. It really is this easy. Welcome to Trump's bull market. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Mara stock video. It's happened. We are breaking out of that quarterly, monthly, weekly bull flag pattern. Look at that beautiful, beautiful bull flag pattern. Broke out above the purple line. Why did I tell you guys to buy under the purple line? Because you get it nice and cheap. And here we are. This could go to 20, 25, 30. But if you bought down here when it was cheap and no one wanted it, I mean, you could still sell right now for 70% or more, depending on where you bought. So that's the beauty of buying when it's under the purple line. You get it at a massive discount. Remember, every time it's come under the purple line, it always rallies back to 30, back to 29, no, 28 here. Here came out under the purple line, rallied to 20, oh, no, 30 this time. So maybe back to 20, 25, 30. I don't know. It's up to you if you want to hold for more or take the 50% to 100%, depending again on where you bought. Riot stock, same thing, same story. Look at that pattern on the smaller time frames, and you'll see we are breaking out and going higher. And the monthly crossover did happen last month, so we would expect continuation here because we usually get a continuation after a huge dump. We usually get a couple months of green. As you can see here, there's the cross, there's the white line crossing the yellow line. We pump for a month, 2 months, go sideways, then pump for a third month to $20 before pulling back. So after a huge dump, when we get that monthly crossover, it's a moneymaker. We don't just get 1 month in green, we get a few months of green. So months, by the way, we're talking months here. And we're in a bull run, so that helps as well. So Mara stock, Riot stock, I think I wouldn't buy Riot at this point. I think Mara stock would be a buy on dips. But once it gets over the $20 point, once it gets above $20, I'm not even going to touch it anymore at that point because it's too expensive. At this point, I'm just going to focus on the NVIDIA leaps because, no. Because you don't, okay, so the funny thing is, buying on the purple line, that's cool, right? We get a discount and then we sell it, and take our 50% or 100% or whatever, or you can hold for more, up to you. But ultimately, when it does come back to 20 or 25, or even if it goes to 30, I really don't want to be buying up here because I could end up holding the bag, right? Anyone who bought here in the 20 to, I would say $26 to $34 range, I mean, if they didn't sell, they just held the bag all the way down. So I wouldn't look to buy at this point. I don't know. I'm not interested in buying once they get above the purple line and start running because it's just, you don't want to be the one holding the bag up here. So Mara, I think, is still a buy, but it's like, wait for a pullback. Riot stock, it's only a buy if it goes under 10. That's it. That's about it. That's the only time it's a buy. So yeah, that's it for the video. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Let me look at Bitcoin itself, what it's doing. July is supposed to be a really good month. Hopefully we invalidate this double top on the weekly. On the monthly, it's a lot more clear here. I think we're already invalidating it by the fact that by the start of this green monthly candle, and hopefully we break out and go. If this month is going to be as good as people are saying, we should break out to like 115, 120 on Bitcoin, which sounds insane, but it's doable. So I think we're going to invalidate, barring something crazy happening in the world, we're going to invalidate this double top and we're going to move higher, which should bring the miners even higher. So again, people are making money. We're making 50%, 100% on plays while also scalping those delicious, those nutritious, those easy NVIDIA leaps. Someone introduced me to NVIDIA leaps, and now we're a leap Discord, I guess. Anyways, it's easy, right? Because we're in a bull run, everything just keeps going up. So might as well abuse that with leaps on NVIDIA. And they're cheap. They're like $4 a piece. Anyways, that is it for the video. Join the Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. The money will be there waiting for you to take the bag and dump it on someone else. Because that's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. It's buy cheap, buy low, sell high. Whether it's a penny stock like Sybil, whether it's Bitcoin, whatever the case may be, it's about buying nice and cheap and selling it to the suckers who buy the top. Let them hold the bag, and you rinse and repeat. That's all it is. The market is nothing more than patterns that we can abuse. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bear market blues, I'm stacking sheep.